Thank you for choosing our Patio Heat channel. I'm Steve. We provide tips and information to extend the enjoyment of your patio project. Our videos give you a knowledgeable overview prior to investing in your outdoor heating equipment. Whether you are a professional or owner-builder, we provide specific details for optimum heat coverage for your application. Post a comment or question, or for developed visual designs, send your request into designs@patioheat.com. We're here to work with you. For over 30 years, patio heating is the bedrock of our business, expressing what works best. Now let's get heating. All right, so we have this residential application, and we only have one piece of actual dimension here. The other thing that we had was the images that we received from this particular customer. The one part that they're looking for is to have, let's see here, an area that they need heated, and this is the true dimensions that I received. So the dimensions I had received were that the area was 8 feet by 16 feet by 8 feet and 6 inches tall. So I'm assuming that the height of the patio is the 8 foot 6 inches tall, and that by kind of copying what I saw on the images, I'm kind of coming up with what the rest of the patio may or may not look like. So what I would do for this particular area, you can see that we have some, a ceiling fan here. I don't have the true diameter of the blades, and nor do I know the actual position of these recessed lighting fixtures up here. I think I have them at about 36 inches from, 6 feet from here to here, I think, and then 36 inches from the edge over here, and roughly about 2 feet from the edge over here. So again, not knowing what the true area really is going to be kind of hard to give an exact placement of these heaters, but I'm going to show you what I would do for this particular application. And I'm just going to go right into the array itself, as well as the clearances. Now I've placed these heaters on the edge. I'm going to take this off here as far as the area needed to be heated, but I'm going to show that I have this just a few inches off of the edge over here, this so that we are out of the area of exposure, I guess. And also that it's mounted on the same elevation as the other unit itself. But we need to make sure that we're running into an 18-inch clearance from this edge here to the edge of the heater itself, and then 18 inches all four sides. This is a 39-inch long unit, 8 inches wide, 3.5 inches tall, and then there's a clearance of 6 inches on top of the heater itself. So with that, you get a nice footprint going this direction here, as well as I have this going this direction here. Now, if we went ahead and took a look at what the distance is from the center point of this heater here, let's see if we can grab that here, and then we'll go to the center point of this unit here, and that's going to be somewhere right around there. Let's go ahead and see what that might be. So that's going to be 7 feet 1.5 inches roughly. It could be 7 feet, but you have a nice footprint of heat, crossover array here between the two heaters, and you got a nice footprint of heat for both these outer edge seating positions here. So, and going back into what they asked for, this particular amount of heat for this space I think would be ideal. Also note that these are dual element units. You could either put a control panel on these. These are 5,000 watt units. You could put 2 zones or 1 zone, or you can go with duplex switches, or you can just turn one element on, one element off, or both elements on at the same time. And so yeah, that's something that would work, I think, very nicely in this particular space. Again, not knowing what the true dimensions and placement of all of these items are, things could change. You can see that we have plenty of clearance over here, not knowing that this drapes over here are as far as that I have them. If you wanted to see how far I do have them, you know, I have them roughly at about, let's just go right around here. So, whoops. That's going to be about 2.5, well, 3 feet off of the edge over here. And the rafter systems, I think I have those, you know, somewhere in that 18-inch range. So yeah, all that information is important, and yeah, this is going to be a good footprint of heat and layout for this particular seating position here. So all right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you'd like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve, and please tap that like button if you find this video useful. We don't advertise, not monetize. YouTube does not support us unless we receive a thumbs up from our viewers, and we truly appreciate that. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day.